Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a Boxy charm unboxing. As you can see, it looks kind of messed up because quarantine life has us spraying down all of our packages and stuff, which is what we should have been doing regardless. But yeah, so I got my Boxy charm in the mail and I'm super excited about it. This month I am very happy. I'm not gonna lie, Boxy charm, last month you had me a little like on edge. It was not the best box, but I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got here. I'm gonna tell you the prices, and then I'm gonna start doing my face with the products that I have in here. Alright. So I'm just gonna open up the box. This is what it looks like when you open it. And it says Boxy charm, has your 2 cards. Usually it brings 1, but I guess for the Makeup Forever, I think it brings 2. So this is what's in here. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Makeup Forever. It's the makeup eraser. Yeah, in the color Sunset. Erases all makeup with just water. I'm definitely gonna try this out. It's antibacterial, reusable, lasts up to 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, me, and saves money. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It feels so soft. I don't want to put it against my skin because I haven't washed it yet, but this is cute. The next thing I'm going to go into is a fan favorite. This is the Professional Smoothing Face Primer. This is a fan fave. Like, I have my own. Yeah, you know, all the products from Boxy charm are full size. The next thing I'm going to grab is, oh, I haven't told you how much it retails for. God, we're gonna go back. So the makeup eraser retails for $22. The Benefit Cosmetic Professional Face Primer totals for $32. So just with this alone, this is worth more than the box. So just saying. The next thing I'm coming in here to is a Hanks and Henry exclusive twin pack sponge. These sponge, I saw them post about it. I have a lot of sponges. So it comes in a big version, ooh, and it comes in a small version. And this retails for $20. These beauty sponges are specifically designed to be versatile all-over sponges for a liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application and dry for a fuller coverage. It's good to know. Next thing I'm going to open up here is this little bag right here. It's called Lavish, and there is 5 brushes in here, colorful, and this retails for $29.99. It's a 5-piece neon eye brush set, a must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes that you will need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. So this is what it looks like. This green one is double-ended. It's like an eyebrow. So this one's eyebrow groomer. This one is a pencil brush. This one is a eye shading brush right here. This one is a fine liner, and then this one is a tapered blending brushes. Any brush like this, I'm obsessed. I'll see how this one goes because it feels a little stiff, but we'll see. We have this nice little golden palette right here. This is the, I don't even know how to like, Zoeva, I don't know. We're gonna say Zoeva. Eyeshadow palette offers a range of highly pigmented and easy to blend eyeshadow shades in tempting hues for ultra glamorous makeup looks. The formulation of the eyeshadows is enriched with vitamin E And this retails for $28. Oh, so this is what it looks like. These are, I love these colors. This whole box totals for $131. Without further ado, I'm going to do my face with the products I have here, and I'll see you when I'm done. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. Yeah, I love this look. I'm not gonna lie, it's all matte except for the shimmer that I have on my waterline. This palette is really good. I love the pigmentation. I love the way everything blends out. What surprised me was this color right here was very pigmented, and I don't think I have a color like that is that pigmented and very light. I loved it. The mattes were so good that I didn't even want to use the shimmers, and that is so weird of me because I always have to use a shimmer. But I only use these 3 colors right here, 1, 2, and 3, and a little bit of the white in the inner corners. I use this one right here on my waterline, as you guys saw. It's a great palette. I'm glad it came in my box. Would I buy it just, you know, by itself? Probably not. That's why I'm so happy it came in the box. Primer. Everybody knows this is amazing. I like the way it just covers my pores. Like, it runs my makeup so smoothly. The brushes, they were good. I'm not gonna lie, they were good. This, I use them for my eyebrows. I feel like it was too flimsy. I love my eyebrow brushes to be like kind of dense, so it really like does like straight lines. This one was a little flimsy, so I didn't love it, but it was okay. It did the job. And right here, this, what is it, this pencil, I don't know if it's because I have to wash it, but like it had some of the hairs were how do I say it, like they were hurting my eye. I guess because it might have had glue or something, I don't know, but it's a pretty good set. I'm not gonna lie, if you're running to get something quick or you're going somewhere quick, you can definitely do a whole makeup look just using that little set of 5 brushes. All right, now the sponges. The sponges. I don't really know how I feel about them. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the color that makes me feel like it soaks up so much product, but it did say like wet provides a sheer application, and dry is more full coverage. So I feel like because it's sheer, it soaked up a lot of the product. It did the job. If it weren't for me feeling like it's taking too much foundation, I'll give it like 100%. Like, I'd say it's amazing. But if this was like an expensive foundation or a foundation that I'm just loving, I wouldn't be too happy about losing so much, you know. I'm gonna do more research and see if it does soak up a lot of foundation, or this is just like how dirty it gets. And last but not least is the makeup eraser. I will use it to take off my makeup. I have to wash it first, so I'll see how it goes. If I don't put it at the end of this video, you guys will see I didn't have time to wash it in the washer. Yeah, overall, this box, this April box, I liked it. It was pretty calm. I enjoy it. Will I use the products again? Definitely. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it and if you would like more BoxyCharm unboxing videos, make sure to write that in the comments or like this video, and I'll just know that, hey, they like unboxing videos from BoxyCharms, and I'll do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.